Morning, it's Sarah from Hills. You find me here today over on the desirable Parkstone Road, located over in Irlam. As you can see, we've got full parking, multiple cars, and this beautiful 3-bedroom semi-detached property. Current vendors have been here just a year, and in the time in which they have been here, they've done new flooring throughout, put a new kitchen in, new internal doors, got new French doors to the rear. This is a fantastic family home, and it also offers scope for further development. You could add on a fabulous single or double story wraparound extension. So we've got this lovely bay fronted lounge, flooded with natural light, beaming through the French doors that lead out onto that rear garden, in this fabulous lounge and dining space. And as we come back through the entrance hallway into this lovely newly installed kitchen, further storage tucked away just beneath the stairs. We'll go and take a look around outside. As you can see straight away the scope here. So you've got gated access back to the front, garage that comes complete with electric, really nicely kept garden, opening the French doors, giving you that indoor outdoor living space, loads of potential for further development for anyone that would want further living space. And as we just get then to the top of the garden, it's raised stoned area. Got your built-in brick barbecue along with the stair shed. There's absolutely loads that you can do out here. So 3 bedrooms to the first floor, along with a beautiful 4-piece family bathroom suite. We'll take a look around inside. Obviously we're really located closely to all of your local amenities. We've got excellent transport links just on the doorstep here, both public and motorway links, taking you further afield, giving really easy access into Salford, Media City, and you've got Warrington, Liverpool and Urmston in the opposite directions. So bedroom 3, the smallest, overlooking the front of the property, along with this beautiful master bedroom complete with fitted wardrobes. Plenty of space to navigate around this king size bed, and that bay window allowing in beautiful amounts of light and just the additional living space. Bedroom number 2, once again lovely and bright, overlooking the rear garden, plenty of space in here. And then lastly into this beautiful 4-piece bathroom suite. So the tub that just sits perfectly beneath the window, excellent built-in storage, and then just behind me, it's really lovely, spacious, enclosed shower cubicle. Perfect for first-time buyers as well as families. So if you're interested in coming along and taking a viewing, please do give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.